It is a lovely sunny day. Mommy and Daddy Pig are taking Peppa and George to the playground. We are going to the playground. Sing Peppa. Say the in-one shortcut. What a great cloud. Where has the sky gone, Peppa? Don't worry, Peppa, said Daddy. Let it only fog. What's fog? asked Peppa. She has never seen the fog before. Fog is a cloud that's on the ground instead of the sky. It's not Daddy Pig had made on the playground disappear everything. Maybe we should go back to home, said Peppa. Oh, sighed Peppa and George. Daddy Pig led Peppa and Mommy Pig back to the farm. Very thick. Oh, we are lost. Pig, asked Mommy Pig. Ho, don't worry. I can ask you where we are. Say Daddy Pig, this way. Soon Peppa bumped into Mr. Duck. Hello, Mr. Duck. Are you lost too? Quack, we are not lost, said Daddy Pig. I can actually where I are this way. Surely there's a splash diving and fall into a duck pond. That lucky, said Daddy. Said Peppa, you found Mr. Duck Pond. Yes, said Daddy Pig. What sort of luck? Now let's find our house and shop. Next, Peppa and George bumped into Rebecca, Richard and Mommy Pig. Hello, Peppa, said Rebecca. We want to go to the playground when we are lost in the fog. So, we are really, said Peppa. We are not, Peppa, said Daddy. Let's go, all go home. Eat the fog clear. This way, everyone. Huh? Everyone follow Daddy Pig. Our house should be just about here. Daddy Pig, oh, don't remember the ladder to go our garden. Peppa climbed to the top of the ladder. She's so high up she can see a cloud of a fog. We are at the playground. Peppa jumped on the slide. The fog cleared away. Daddy Pig has led everyone to the playground after all. Hey.